Matiang'i ase siasa cia Kenya bono iga kulingana ekero kiria kuria no president wa Kenya obotakeire omonto anyochi kura korwa chinsemo chionsi chia Kenya na etakire support ya abanto bonsi ntu understand that ntore na agreement that na tutweka nto konyare kutoria abasani bari batukuruskaria ideally Matiang'i kwenda Jubilee maybe na roche obogare bwae no bwenge kwenda ororo into bono much has been said about rego utangabe party mongsi because narratively or no siasa chia Kenya chire ngoga niere ngomondo tokore kiama kiaye because abantu abaja bamyoki remember Rigathi Gachagua so etene kiama kiyo yonde lakini nwarega but bono siasa chia bono chia Matiang'i no nyenjera guchikora njiri siasa chiri chitatwara gwaka 2022 siasa chia change na again tukikuriwa no borai umuntu rasukia nsego jumutu I think that ideally sababu era chita as Jubilee is looking nationally a way of maybe garnering all these votes cha abantu ba Kenya na sasa abantu ba Kenya na ndugo chane sai itenge togochenga kurwa anyone nga twakorereki twasaneire twabeire tari yaje kwebeka kwa a community leader going to be a president of the Republic of Kenya now ndo chako mareta ntenga bono bere community leader no let us now say that mondo chire kuchimutwa obere national leader now is using a national party although UP also is a national party although grassroots still expand but is now kego kina is almost from kia better formed until now I think 7 to 8 years if I'm not wrong ngoja gosuka kere so as we are building this UP as a party from the grassroots is good asukumene party eli asumeko nga nonde bwenze kupinga Matiang'i in ideology or something you should come to the table tukwana na bana aba munyomba tusuguma mu muroria aturate mitoto kunega